Hey, welcome to another one of our videos. We're going to do something really easy today. I'm going to take shrimp. We're going to kind of butterfly it open a little bit. Put a sliver of jalapeno in it. Jalapeno, however you say it. Then we're going to wrap the shrimp in bacon. Going to season it. Get it on the grill. You can do this on a gas grill, your Kamado grill. I'm going to do it on this Gourmet Guru. And then we're going to finish it with a little honey and a little Mexican cheese. This is an awesome appetizer. Stay with me. Alright, to make these up, I've got a shrimp here that we've butterflied down the middle, right? And then what we're going to take is a little piece of jalapeno that we've julienned. Is that the right word? Julienned? You know, being a hillbilly, I don't even know if that's a real word, but I think I read on the internet. Then what I've got here is a piece of bacon. Actually, we've cut about that much off the end because I have tried this before. And then what we're going to do is wrap this piece of shrimp up in this bacon, right? Now, if you don't want a lot of bacon on your shrimp, you could probably cut these in 2/3 or half. Personally, I like to have the entire shrimp wrapped in the bacon. Oh, by the way, these got the tails on, okay? So I got a pound of these guys we're going to do like this. And once I get them all wrapped up in the bacon with the jalapeno slice, I'll show you how we're going to season these bad boys. A couple things I should mention. I pre-cooked this bacon in the microwave for 2 minutes, right? It's only going to take these shrimp about 3 minutes aside to cook, and you know I want to make sure that bacon gets done. So it's partially cooked already. Now, to season this, the folks from Heaven Made Products sent me some of this It's Incredible seasoning out here. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put a light layer of this It's Incredible seasoning on all of these guys. Okay. And we're going to do both sides. But we're not going to stop there. Okay. Let me get these both sides with this It's Incredible, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. Got them all seasoned both sides. Now I'm going to come back in on just this one plate. Again, Heaven Made Products, this amazing blazing Cajun. A couple of us here today like a little bit of spice. And you know, they make 3 different of these Cajuns, but this one's a little bit more fiery. I'm going to leave this plate alone. You've heard me talk many times before, my son doesn't care for anything spicy, so we'll leave that plate for him. So I'm just going to get this side seasoned up with this blazing Cajun, and then we're going to get these moved over to the grill. I got this grill, this little grill plate on here to help me with the shrimp, keep them from falling through. A little ham or vegetable oil, whatever you want. We're going to get these guys on here. Now you want your grill set pretty high because you want this bacon to fry up pretty darn quick or cook up pretty darn quick, whatever word you want to call it. You know, the longer they're on here, the more those shrimp are going to get cooked, and you don't want them to get too done. They'll be tough, right? So, these are the ones that have that awesome Cajun seasoning, or at least I'm hoping it's awesome. We're going to find out pretty soon from the Heaven Made Products. And again, this is pretty darn hot. It's hurting my hand just keeping it on here. I'm going to shut this lid, and we're going to get them going for 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll check on them. I spent about 3 minutes. Those bad boys are ready to be turned. I'm telling you, this has got awesomeness written all over it. That bacon's getting nice and crunchy. You can see it crispy on the outside. The faster you cook this, the better, right? Because you do not want those shrimp getting tough. If I didn't mention it, I actually got the idea. I saw a Pinterest pin about bacon wrapped shrimp with jalapeno. Now we're seasoned a little bit different, and I'm going to finish it a little bit different. But I get no credit for coming up with the idea. You want to pay attention to shrimp, right? And bacon. You can get a flare up real quick on your grill. I'm just going to like flip these guys one more time. And let me show you what we're going to do to them after I flip them over. I got a little bit of this Avondale Apiary jalapeno honey. This is optional, right? This is going to add a little sweetness to it. Just drizzle it. That's all we're going to do. I was in Savannah a few weeks ago. And the final step here is I got a little Mexican cheese blend, right? bacon, shrimp, jalapeno, cheese. Other than being with your woman, does it get any better than this? Alright, so we're just going to let this go maybe another minute, 2 minutes. I want this cheesy goodness to be melted. I'm going to plate these up, and we're going to give them a try together, and you'll tell me what you think. Yeah, it's only been another couple minutes. Look at that. Look at the cheesy goodness. Okay, we're going to get these bad boys up here. Let me plate them up. We're going to give them a taste. All right, we've got our shrimp here. You can see the cheesy goodness with the bacon on it. Let's give this a try. Okay. Everything about this is buzzing with flavor. Adding the honey, I'm glad we did. Gives it just a little bit of sweet, offsets that Cajun heat. Nice little bite. And by the way, for those of you who don't like it spicy, that Cajun seasoning, which one was it? It's the Amazing Blazing. It's very good, but it's not like gonna, blow your head off for those of you that don't like it hot. Very tasty. You get the nice flavor from the jalapeno, bacon and shrimp. What a combination! And then we got that Mexican cheese. This might become one of my favorite appetizers. Absolutely delicious. Hey, I hope you get a chance to make this. If you have any questions or comments about this video, just leave them down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, click the bell. You'll know about all of our new videos. You can see they're pretty easy.